A cylinder has a radius of 3 inches and a height of 4 inches. What is the volume of the cylinder in cubic inches? The volume V of a cylinder is given by the formula V equal phi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height. Substituting the given values, we get V equal pi 3 square times 4 equal 36 phi. So, the correct answer is B, 36 phi. The function f(x) equal axh square plus k represents a parabola in vertex form. If the vertex of the parabola is at 3, -2, and the parabola opens upwards, which of the following could be a possible value of a? Since the parabola opens upwards, a must be positive. The vertex, hk, 3, -2, does not determine as value directly, but are greater than 0. Options A, 1 and B, 0 are incorrect because A indicates a parabola that opens downward, and B would not represent a quadratic function. Thus, C1 and D2 are both possible, but since we must choose one, the minimal positive value for R that we're sure fits the condition is C1. If the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 1080 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? The sum of the interior angles of a polygon can be found using the formula n-2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. Setting the equation to 1080 degrees gives us n-2 times 180 equal 1/3 of 80. Solving for n gives n-2 equal 1/3 times 80 over 180 n-2 is 6, n equal 8. So, the correct answer is C, 8. The graph of the equation, y equal half x square minus x minus 3, intersects the x-axis at 2 points. What is the sum of the x-coordinates of these points? For a quadratic equation, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The sum of the roots is given by minus b over a. Here, ei is half, b is minus 1, and c is minus 3. The sum of the roots, x-intercepts, is minus 1 over half, equal 2. So, the correct answer is D, 2. In a survey, 80% of respondents said they preferred tea over coffee. If 200 people were surveyed, how many people preferred coffee? If 80% preferred tea, then 20% preferred coffee. 20% of 200 is calculated as 0.20 times 200 equal 40. So the correct answer is A, 40.